Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday, September 4th. Madison started school today, so she's not here. She's back in school. It's her first day of third grade, so hopefully she has a good day. I'm just home with the two of them now, Chase and Noah, and I'm pretty excited about it. Well, let me just say this. School started at, I feel like, just the right time because Chase and Madison were just like going at each other all day, just like bickering nonstop. So I feel like it's perfect timing. Like they really needed like a break from each other. And I'm also really excited because I think I'm going to be able to get Noah and Chase down for a nap at around the same time. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. But I posted on there about how Noah is finally going to sleep on his own for naps. Like I just put him in his crib awake and he falls asleep, and it is amazing and life-changing, and it's gonna be awesome. I feel like it's already been awesome. Like I've already been able to get a lot more done in his nap time because I'm not spending that extra time trying to get him to sleep, and also he's sleeping longer for his naps because he's going to sleep on his own. I feel like it's just made a difference, so that is awesome. But what? Chase is asking for more water in the tub. He's in the bath right now. He's right over there. I can hear him, so he's fine. But I'm gonna go actually give him a bath. He's just playing with some bubbles right now. Finishing up my coffee, and yeah, I thought I'd vlog today. I have a to-do list of stuff that I want to get done, so I figured I'd show you my list and go through the list and see how much I can get done. Let me show you. Here is my to-do list with my pretty new pen. Madison got this set of Papermate Flare pens for school, and she only needed like 3 of them, so I took the other colors. But this one's really pretty. So anyway, I love my new pretty pen. But this is my list, and this was going to be a list just for today. Like I wanted to do all of this stuff today. This is the one thing that I need to do today. I need to make some cookies for back to school for Madison, because I did that last year, I think, and it was really nice. I think she liked that, to come home and have a little cookie surprise. So I'm going to make some cookies. That's the main thing that I need to get done today. And then all this other stuff I also wanted to do, but we'll see how much I can do. I might just make this like try to get this stuff done this week, but we'll see how it goes. But anyway, I'm gonna go finish up with Chase in the bath and drink the rest of my coffee, and we'll do the day. So Noah is finally down for a nap. It's 12 o'clock. It took him like 3 tries before he finally fell asleep. So this is kind of, I feel like it's gonna mess with, hold on. Hopefully it doesn't mess with getting them both down for a nap for a portion of the day. I feel like it will, because now he's going to sleep like an hour later, so he's going to want to take a nap, his second nap, probably about the same time that Chase is waking up from his nap. So anyway, I've gotten nothing done on my list so far, but I really need to make the cookies because that's like the one thing that I want to get done today. So I'm going to go ahead and make some cookies. I really wish I had like the ones where you just stick them in the oven, but I don't have that kind. So now I have to like make them from scratch or whatever with like a bag of chocolate chips. So here goes nothing. So I got some cookies baking. I've already got some done. Here is some of them. Hold on, Chase. They came out like kind of dark though. I put them in for the least amount of time, like 9 minutes. So I have other ones in the oven, and I put them in for 8 minutes because I don't know, they're kind of brown. I kind of want them to be a little bit lighter. I don't know why that happened, but I mean they're not burned, but they're just a little bit darker. But one thing I wanted to do today was put this mixer in. Actually, I can't do it right now because I have the bowl over there that I still have to clean. But I got a cover for my mixer finally. It's over here. I got it on Amazon, and I actually got a clear one. So hopefully this works out. I didn't want to get I wanted the clear one because I wanted to be able to see the pretty color through it. So got that. As soon as I'm done with the cookies, I'll wash the bowl and then I'll put it away in its new bag, because before I just had like a grocery bag over it, which didn't look very nice. And I love the color of this mixer so much. So pretty. My mom got it for me, and I felt bad just like covering it with a plastic bag. So now it'll have its own clear case, and it'll be much nicer. Another thing that I wanted to do today was do something about the couch cushions. These, I love this couch. First of all, we got it from Ashley Furniture online. I bought it online. I never even sat in it before we bought it, but I just like took a chance, and it ended up being a really comfy couch. The only thing is that the cushions are constantly like sliding out. Like you can see there's a gap. It's not supposed to be out that far. It's supposed to be pushed in like that. You can see how much farther out that one is. So the cushions are constantly coming out, so I'm gonna try to fix that. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I have this stuff. It's like drawer liner for, I don't know, I guess you can use it under rugs too. But I got it for like lining the cabinet drawers. I think I used it in our old house, but I don't think I have any of it here. But it's just like grippy stuff. So I'm gonna try to cut like a big piece of this and put it under the couch cushion and see if it will help hold it in place. But first, I need to vacuum. There's lots of crumbs in here, and I don't even know how it gets this dirty because they don't eat in the living room. I don't know what this is from. I mean, I guess they can like track crumbs in, but what the heck? Much better.
Mine, I want to move up and down, up and down, up and down.
Alright, so I'm not sure if that's gonna work or not, but I'll update you guys. I'll let you know if that's a solution for couch cushions that constantly slip out or not. So here is the mixer cover. I think it's pretty good. The only thing is the top, like it's a little bit too high, so it's like sticking up like that. So I was reading the Amazon reviews and people said they just folded it down and taped it, so that's what I did. I have tape here and a piece of tape here, and if it comes off, I'll probably just use like stronger tape. But I think it's pretty good. I hope the wrinkles fall out a little bit because that looks a little bit cheesy. But for $10, it's not bad, and it's better than a grocery bag, so I'm happy. Okay, so I can cross off couch thing, mixer cover, and make cookies. What else do I need to do? I really need to fold the clothes. I really need to do the coffee maker. I wanted to clean that out with vinegar, run vinegar through it a few times. I have to do that when Greg's not home because he can't stand the smell of vinegar, and I really need to do that, so I think I'll do that next. And I really need to I got Noah like a mesh crib bumper. I need to do that too, like before tonight. Well, getting them both down for a nap at the same time did not work out at all. Noah woke up a little bit before Chase was gonna go down, so now Chase is sleeping, hopefully. Noah's awake, but he slept for like almost 2 hours, so that was really good. I'm gonna have to feed him soon, but I still haven't had lunch. I'm not really that hungry though. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm doing for dinner tonight either. I made the cookies, so I feel like I'm cooked out. I want to do something easy. I think I might just do pancakes and tater tots or something, even though I think Madison doesn't like pancakes. Gah. I don't really have anything else to cook. I need to go grocery shopping again. I have chicken, but it's frozen, so I can't really use that tonight. Are you having fun rocking there? Are you rocking? Yeah, he kicks his leg and gets himself to rock. It's so funny. You feel good, right? I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do the coffee maker though. So what I'm gonna do is just run vinegar through it like a bunch of times, like 3 or 4 times. And yeah, that's just how I clean it out. And then after that, I'll run some like regular clean water through it to get rid of the vinegar smell and taste and all of that, but yeah. Dinner time. We've reached the point of the day where I usually don't film too much, so we'll see if I can get anything else done off my list, but we're getting to the time of the day where it gets busy with dinner and Madison took a shower last night, so I don't think she's gonna take one tonight. But just like bedtime and everything like that. I'm making pancakes. So I am just cooking the pancakes in a pan. Normally I would cook them on our griddle, but I took the griddle out and it's got mold all over it because it was sitting in our basement, or not our basement closet, which is not dehumidified. And yeah, this part looks okay, but this has mold on it and I didn't have time to clean that before I needed to start cooking. So that is why I'm cooking them in a pan tonight. And I also made some tater tots in our air fryer. So yeah, we're having a very yellow dinner tonight. Could have made some bacon or something, but I didn't have any, so that's dinner for tonight. This is probably going to be the last thing that I'm going to get done on my list today. Maybe I'll do something after the kids go to bed tonight, but we'll see. But I'm going to, wow, it's bright. I'm going to put the crib bumper on Noah's crib. This is the one that I got. I forget what this is called, what the brand of it is, but it's like the best seller on Amazon. And I had to get the one with the stripe because the plain white one was sold out for like another week and I wanted to get it sooner, so I got this one. It's pretty thick. I didn't think it was going to be that thick. I thought it was just going to be really thin, but I'm going to try to figure out how to put this on. Took a little bit longer than I thought it was going to. I had to refer to the directions a couple times because I was like, what is going on here? But all right, so let me show you. I got it on there. I think it's the way it's supposed to be. If you're like me and you're gonna be setting one of these up in your own baby's crib, if you have a solid back crib, you don't use the other panel. It comes with 2 panels. You only use the long one, and you got to make sure like the ties are at the top. And whatever, you can read the directions like I did, but I finally figured it out and I think it's right. If I did anything wrong, if anybody has one of these at home and I did something wrong, let me know, but I think it's good. Alright, Noah just went to sleep. Madison and Chase are in bed, and I'm finally gonna sit down and do this and renew my license. So I think I had a pretty productive day. I got a lot more done on my list than I thought I was gonna get done. I got a lot more done in general than I normally would have gotten done. I think it was just because I wrote out a list, which I haven't been doing, but I feel like I need to start doing that more because like I feel like I want to do things so that I can cross it off my list and feel like I did something. I don't know. But also at the same time, sometimes I'll write a list and then if I don't get to do stuff on the list, it would just make me feel bad, like I didn't do enough that day. So I don't know, I kind of have a love-hate relationship with list making. But today it kind of worked out. I just have like 2 things or whatever that I didn't get to, but that's alright. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be nice. Friday's going to rain, so I feel like I want to stay home on Friday. Maybe we'll go somewhere tomorrow. Maybe not. I have a couple things I need to return to Marshall's like by the 8th, or else that's past the 30 days and then I can't return them anymore. So maybe I'll go to Marshall's tomorrow with Chase and Noah. That will be fun. But I think I'm just going to wrap this video up here. I'm going to go take a shower and then I'm going to edit this video so I can hopefully have it up for you guys tomorrow. And then if I have time, I'm going to watch a little bit of a show on Hulu called The Act. My brother told me about it. I don't think it's new. I think it's been on there for a little while. I think I've actually seen it on there before and I didn't watch it, but I started watching it. It's really weird, but it's really good. So if you have Hulu, check that out. I only have like 2 or 3 episodes left, so what am I going to do when it's over? I have to find something else, but that's gonna be my night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.